Vanakkam, Namaste, hello and welcome to this short video about Pongal, the harvest festival of the Tamil community. Celebrated in mid-January, Pongal marks the end of the winter solstice. The cold days of Margazhi give way to spring and the auspicious month of Thai begins. There is a famous Tamil saying, Thai pirandal vali pirakkum. It is a month of new beginnings and new opportunities. Pongal literally means to boil over. After months of hard work on their farms, it is a time when food, fun and festivities overflow. People show their gratitude to all who help them reap a bountiful harvest, the gods, nature and their animals. The festival of Pongal has old roots. Thai Un or Thai Neeradal was an ancient harvest festival celebrated during the Sangam era over 2000 years ago. Unmarried girls observed a fast through the month of Margazhi. On the final day, Pavai Nombu, they prayed for prosperity, good rains and a good harvest. Over the centuries, Thai Un and Pavai Nombu evolved into the 4-day festival of Pongal. The first day, Bhogi, is about new beginnings. People clean their houses and make a bonfire of all old and useless things. Traditionally, Bhogi was a day to honor the god Indra and pray for good rains in the year to come. The second day is called Perum Pongal, Surya Pongal or just Pongal. Families pray to the sun god Lord Surya to thank him for the abundant harvest and ask for continued blessings. Dressed in colorful saris, pavadais and veshtis, people boil a mixture of rice, milk and jaggery. Sugarcane sticks, turmeric and flowers are used to decorate the Pongal pots in the stove. As the milk boils over, women ululate and a cry of Pongalo Pongal goes up. On the third day, Matu Pongal, people in villages decorate their bulls and cows with bells and flower garlands. It is a heartfelt thank you to the animals that help them provide for their families and communities, like Thanksgiving in the United States. Some communities celebrate the third day as Kanu Pongal. Like the festivals of Bhai Dooj and Rakhi in northern India, sisters pray for the good health and long life of their brothers. The leftovers of the previous day are rolled into rice balls and placed in rows on almond leaves, along with betel leaves, areca nut and bananas. People believe that their ancestors appear as crows and have this feast. The women sing or chant, Kaka pidi veche, Kanu pidi veche. Each family or village has its own song. Just as a flock of crows stays together, the song prays that the family will also stay united. The last day of Pongal, known as Kanum Pongal, is mainly celebrated in villages. People visit friends and family or travel to nearby temples and monuments. In cities like Chennai or Madurai, people take the day off to visit museums, parks, the zoo or the beach. Festivals mean food, and plenty of it. The plat du jour is of course Pongal, sweet or savoury. Other dishes such as payasam, vada, sambar, rasam, varieties of kootu and curries, aplam and pickles make up an elaborate feast for the family. Pongal celebrations have been reduced to a day or two in cities and towns, but in rural Tamil Nadu, all 4 days are still celebrated with fervour and enthusiasm. Fairs, Terukuthu or street plays, Karagattam dances, concerts and games are held in many villages. Uriyadi is a popular game played by young men and women. A blindfolded player has to hit an earthen pot, much like piñatas. People around shout out directions to guide or misguide the player. Jallikattu or bull taming is a sport played in some regions of Tamil Nadu during Pongal. Young men train for weeks prior to the game, and winners often receive large cash awards sponsored by local industries and businessmen. Today, Pongal is celebrated in so many countries: India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, South Africa, France, Canada, and more. Pongal is even celebrated by the small Tamil community of Karachi, Pakistan at the Mari Mata temple. Different countries, different customs. There are so many different Pongals across the world, but they are all about celebrating the good things of life with friends, family and food. Happiness overflows as people meet and ask each other, "Did your Pongal boil over today?" உங்க வீட்டுல பொங்கல் பொங்கியாச்சா?
Global, it is Sangam Global.